What's up?
Welcome to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday. You thought we were going to be gone forever. No.
Can't keep us away.
Nope. All them cooking channels are quaking, okay? They're shaking. April's back. Okay, just kidding. No. Don't even at me, cooking channels. That's just my personality. But shoot, y'all better watch this video, okay? Today we're making cascaron, bitsu, carioca. Oh my god, it's so good, you guys. And I made this recipe 7 years ago, and those circles were not circles. They were like blobs. And so I had to remake it because my mom requested it. So this video is for you, Mom, and this video is for all of you friends and for my friends who want to make this delicious Filipino dessert. I kind of call it a Filipino dessert, don't you think so? Because it's deep fried.
Oh, Filipino donut?
Yeah, donut.
Filipino
Why did I say dessert?
I don't know.
A donut, yeah.
I knew what you meant though. It's
yeah,
okay.
So stay tuned, you guys. So here are the ingredients that you will need. Sticks. I know this is optional, but I mean, if you're gonna make a legit Filipino recipe, you better get them sticks. You can get them on Amazon, you guys. And then rice flour. This is 1 cup of rice flour. I took the packaging out because I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like in case you didn't know what it looks like, in case you were looking online and you can't find it at the store. This is mochiko sweet rice flour. This is the one that my grandma used to use for her oh, I forgot that. It's like a soup that you use for the balls. Yeah, that's what she used. And then coconut milk. Here's the thing with coconut milk though. You're gonna have to microwave it because it gets chunky really quickly, but this is gonna be a cup of coconut milk. And then this is shredded coconut. Usually I like the sweet and like bigger ones, but this is all I could find, you guys. So, and it worked. I tested out the recipe even though I made this recipe like 7 years ago. And then for the caramel sauce, all you need, okay, this is not the legit Filipino caramel sauce recipe. It's usually coconut milk and brown sugar, but I'm straying away from that because I did that recipe before, and this is better, you guys. Caramel and brown sugar. Don't at me, don't fight me, just try it and then thank me later, okay? So brown sugar and butter, and then for deep frying, you're gonna just need some oil, which is about 2 cups of oil or more if you're working with a larger saucepan, but I'm working with a small one. You see how small this is? I just need 2 cups, just need a little bit, you know? But yeah, so if you have something like this that's smaller, that works. Hello, you guys. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is heat up the oil on low while we're making the carioca, bitsu, like that. So we're gonna just heat that up because it takes forever for oil to heat up. And we're gonna do it on low. You guys, first things first, you're gonna be using your hands. Wash your hands and take your rings off. No drama here, I'm taking my rings off. Not because I'm mad at Justin.
Keep that on.
Not because I'm mad at him. I got it in my kitty measuring cup. But because I'm gonna work with this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. The rice flour, the shredded coconut. This is like so easy, you guys. You know what I call this? The kids call it Filipino donuts because it's literally deep fried like a donut. And then you're gonna mix that coconut milk in. And y'all, I got this whisk at Home Goods. It's a nice whisk. Like my other whisk, it was just like moving around too much. This whisk is good stuff. So you're just gonna mix it. It's gonna get all clumpy, but don't worry about it. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get it all clumpy and make balls with it. So when you're mixing with a whisk, use your knife, you guys. Use a knife and it gets it all out. You don't want to waste it. Oh my gosh, you don't even want to waste a little bit, okay? Okay, we're gonna put that down and we're ready to use our hands. If something's feeling like it needs more of flour, add more flour. If it's not sticking enough, add more coconut milk. But this is perfect. This is the perfect amount. I was just mixing. I had to take a little coughing break. But look how beautiful and sticky that is, right? Oh my gosh. Lovely, lovely. So we're gonna just grab little balls of it like this and we're gonna really roll it, okay? So we're rolling. And I'm trying to make it pretty. Oh my god, 7 years ago, oh, I privated the video, but 7 years ago I did a bitsu video. That thing was ugly. And I mean, my motto was, as long as it tastes good, it's good, but sis, ain't nobody want to eat that. It was not cute. It was not even a circle. I'm so embarrassed, but I will I will come for myself and show you that ugly old carioca. Like, how dare I post that on YouTube? Like, sis, how dare you? Like, oh my gosh. Hey friends.
Hey everyone.
Welcome to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday. Today we are going to make something very yummy. We're gonna make Filipino cascaron or bitsu or carioca. But you guys, I do also have to show you that old YouTube video that I filmed 7 years ago because I was looking cute. Like, young April was cute. Young April didn't even think she was cute. Sis, you better sit yourself down because you was cute, okay? And now,
excuse me.
Still cute, okay? Like,
Yeah.
Did you think I was gonna play myself? Oh no, she don't do that here. No, she don't do that here. No, we don't. Okay, so we're still rolling, okay? So let me just keep rolling. And yeah, I'll be back after I'm rolling all of this. Do you guys see these balls? So much nicer. See, as you get older, you get better with balls. Like, I was not good with rolling balls before, and look, so much nicer. So now that we're good with our balls, we're gonna just dip that in and deep fry it. It takes only a few minutes, you guys, like 1 or 2 minutes. So watch it, you're gonna see it turn brown. I'm just gonna do it a few at a time. Look at these balls all round and cute. Okay, not all lumpy and misshapen like last 7 years ago. Okay, you guys, so the way you know it's ready is when it starts to brown like this. Do you see that? I like to just give it a little shake so that it's not super oily, but who we kidding? It's deep fried. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the oil. Guys, we're just gonna put 3 balls on a stick, and the whole thing is to just try to make the balls the same size, but you guys, that'll be another 7 years until I'm that good with the balls, okay? So yeah, it's supposed to look like this. So now we're gonna work on the caramel sauce. I'm gonna place the butter in a saucepan. We're gonna melt that. So now we're gonna add the brown sugar since most of the butter is melted. Just add that in. Mix that really well. And I'm gonna have this on a pretty low heat, like low to medium. I like to add a little pinch of salt on my caramel. I just feel like it tastes better. Kind of like a salted caramel flavor, but not really, just slightly, but it's delicious. So we're just waiting for all the sugar to melt and combine with that butter. And it's looking great. You guys, the caramel sauce is looking good. So I got my bitsu stick, right? I'm just gonna drizzle that caramel sauce right on top like this, and then we're gonna move it around until it gets coated with caramel sauce. Oh my gosh, don't you guys want some? Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful, so delightfully delicious, like that. And we're just gonna do that for all the others. Just make sure it's completely coated. Look at that beauty. We got the taste tester.
You know it,
and
always.
Don't even act like this is your first time because it's not. I made it last week.
You'll be able to judge by my reaction how good it is, though. Here we go.
Because of the stick. Oh, the head back. You know what's up when the head comes back. That means it is Justin approved. It's so good.
Okay. Here's my description.
Ooh, tell us.
It is a cross between a dense donut hole and a sesame ball, like at a Chinese food restaurant.
Yes.
With caramel on it.
Yeah.
And but the middle is, I don't know if you can see this, but it's a little bit dense, but it's different because it's the rice flour, right?
And it's sticky.
It's like sticky rice. It is so good. I seriously could eat this entire stick like it's incredible.
Oh my gosh, that's our car. Dang, the car wants some too.
This is real life, guys.
Oh
Why is our car going off? I need to go check on that.
Hold on. Okay, you guys, Justin went and fixed that car.
I turned off the car alarm. We're back.
Yeah, and our babies are here too. By the way, hi, Jakey. Come here. You want to come? Yeah, I think Jakey wants to also be a taste tester.
You want to be a taste tester?
It did not me. Come here, Jake Sauce.
Remember these? You want to try one?
Liam's like, I'm busy watching
Come
the
here.
show. We got them on iPad so that we can film you guys. Come here, Papas. You like this? Oh, Jakey the taste tester. Take it off the stick though. I don't want him hurting himself. There you go. And then tell me what you think. What does it taste like?
What do you think?
Is it nummy?
Take a bigger bite?
Are you shy?
Okay,
I'll give it to you later. But Jiggy loves this stuff too. One time I was actually eating it in bed after dinner, and they were like, "What is that, mommy?" And I'm like, "It's what you had earlier," and we all ate it together. But it's so good, you guys, and it's so good to be back. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm at most of the time. Like, I know that I've been gone from Cook with April, but I haven't on April Athena 7, April Justin TV, and definitely Instagram, right? I'm on Instagram all day, every day.
Your Instagram game is strong.
April Athena 7. Follow me there, you guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.